Nearly 40 years ago, CommuteAir started with a dream, a love for aviation, a passion for exploring the skies, a belief in enriching the experience of people exploring the world, and an understanding that our people deserve to rise to the altitude of the aircraft they steward. This has always been our story, mission, and brand. Now it's time to soar to thrilling new heights, together, as we convey our future through the boldness and vibrance of our people. An aviation workplace that puts you first, lifts your career to a higher altitude, and is committed to delivering on what comes next. Welcome to CommuteAir. Together, we soar.
You're not a number at CommuteAir. You're a person. They know you by name when they see you in the terminal. Everyone does. It doesn't matter if you're our CEO, it doesn't matter if you're our CFO or the chief pilot or just another fellow pilot or a flight attendant. They know you by name because they are invested in you from day one. That's why you want to choose CommuteAir.
The growth that I have experienced in such a short amount of time here at CommuteAir would only be possible here. If I had gone to a mainline or a different airline, I would not have had the opportunity to work in so many different positions and grow the way that I have.
I'm proud to be a pilot because it is a lot of hard work, but you can see the light at the end of the tunnel when you're done with training. And the fact that there are so few female pilots as well. So when I'm sitting in that flight deck and seeing that little girl walk past me that wants to see it, it's just so rewarding at the end of the day.
I chose to go into aviation because it's a nice way to kind of interact with people from different cultures, different backgrounds. It's very fast-paced. Not every day is going to be the same day. Not every flight is going to be the same flight. And every experience that you have is going to be, for good or for worse, is going to help you grow as a person.
Every day I got to fly with different captain and flight attendant, like from different part of the world. Like for example, yesterday I flew with a captain from India and the flight attendant, she was from Colombia. I feel like we're in one family at CommuteAir.
And everyone wants you to succeed because it's not just you succeeding, it's the company succeeding, it's the United brand succeeding.
I'm proud to be here with CommuteAir because CommuteAir opened for me a path to go to United, so that's my dream. Thank you, CommuteAir.